Are you a first-time buyer or veteran looking to buy a home in Jacksonville, Florida? Are you looking for ways to make home ownership more affordable? If so, you may be eligible for the Mortgage Credit Certificate Program, which can help you save thousands of dollars. Hi, I'm Lucian Valancourt, real estate broker and owner of Native Son Realty here in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to discuss Mortgage Credit Certificates, or MCCs. You'll see how MCCs can make owning your home more affordable by saving you money on taxes. But before we do, if you want to see more videos about Jacksonville and all kinds of real estate related stuff, then go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So what is this MCC thing all about? Well, the MCC program is designed to provide eligible homebuyers with a tax credit equal to 25% of the interest paid on their mortgage each year, or a maximum of $2,000 per year. This credit can be used to reduce your federal income tax liability, resulting in more money in your pocket each year. Let's look at an example of how this works. Let's say you purchased a home for $275,000. You used a down payment assistance program to cover your closing costs and down payment, which allowed you to put $10,000 down, giving you a loan amount of $265,000. At 6.25%, your principal and interest payment would be $1,632. The interest paid during your first year would be $16,475. 25% of that would be $4,119. In your first year, you would receive the maximum credit of $2,000. In fact, in this scenario, you would continue to receive the max benefit until your mortgage interest dropped to less than $8,000. That's 22 years from now. That's a savings of up to $44,000. But your savings don't end there. You will continue to receive a tax credit equal to 25% of your mortgage interest until your loan is paid off. If your tax liability is less than $2,000, then the difference can be carried forward for up to 3 years. This is important since your tax liability can change from year to year. Another great feature is that the remaining 75% of your mortgage interest can still be used as a deduction, which could further reduce your taxes. Now at this point, I want to be sure you understand the difference between a tax credit and a tax deduction. A tax credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction of the amount of tax owed. A tax deduction reduces the amount of taxable income on which your tax is calculated. For example, a $2,000 tax credit directly reduces the amount of tax owed by $2,000. A $2,000 tax deduction reduces the amount of taxable income by $2,000, which may result in lower taxes by moving you into a lower tax bracket. So you can see that a tax credit is far more valuable than a tax deduction. Even if your current tax liability is zero, this could change in the future. You may have a significant increase in income, which would move you into a higher tax bracket, or you may have fewer deductions when the kids move out. Remember, the MCC can be used as long as you stay in the home or until you no longer pay mortgage interest. Now, to be eligible for the program, you must meet some requirements. You must be a first-time home buyer. For the sake of this program, a first-time buyer is anyone who has not owned a home in the previous 3 years. If you're a veteran, the first-time buyer requirement is waived. If you purchase a home in one of these federally targeted areas, then the first-time buyer requirement is also waived. You must occupy the home as your primary residence. The maximum purchase price is $299,999. You must meet the income limit, which is based on the number of people in the household over the age of 18. For a 1- and 2-person household, the max income allowed is $86,000. For a 3 or more person household, the max income allowed is $99,475. The home must be purchased in Duval County, and you must attend a homebuyer education course. The program can only be used with FHA, VA, or conventional 30-year fixed-rate mortgages, no balloon or adjustable rate mortgages. You must work with an approved lender who has received specialized training. While not widely promoted, the benefits of the MCC program are numerous. For one, it can help reduce the amount of federal income taxes paid over the life of the mortgage, which can add up to tens of thousands of dollars. Additionally, an MCC makes homeownership more affordable by allowing you to keep more of your income. It's almost like getting a pay raise to buy a home. Since you'll be keeping more of your money, you may be able to qualify for a higher loan amount, allowing you to get the home you've always dreamed of. Here's the bottom line. The Mortgage Credit Certificate Program in Jacksonville, Florida is a valuable resource for eligible homebuyers looking to save money when purchasing a home. If you're interested in learning more about the program or applying for assistance, then all you have to do is give me a call and I'll get you started. Till then, this is Lucian Valancourt with Native Sun Realty, helping you find your place in the sun.